Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot, and we're back again. This time we're going to learn everything possible about this guy. This is the Roomba i7. This robot is awesome, and I know it'd be a great fit for your home. The Roomba i7 is perfect for anyone that wants to control when and where they want their Roomba to go clean in their home. It's almost like if you had a traditional vacuum and did it yourself, but let's keep that in the closet and let Roomba handle it. Alright, let's find out how that's possible. And with a premium 3-stage cleaning system, know that your Roomba has more tools in its box than just suction power. With dual multi-surface rubber brushes, these are going to work together to keep your floors thoroughly clean. They do this by one brush loosening and agitating the dirt, while the other moves in the opposite direction to extract and pull it in. Instead of the bristles that can bend and, miss a lot of dirt, our unique flexible rubber brushes automatically adjust to any floor surface you have in your home. Oh, and these rubber brushes are also tangle free, so keep the scissors in the drawer, everyone. That long hair and pesky pet hair won't tangle up around these brushes. And with a specially designed edge sweeping brush at a 27-degree angle, know that this is going to knock dirt and debris that's originally out of the reach of the Roomba, like those corners and edges, and knock it down into the cleaning path. With a powerlifting suction, know that your Roomba i7 delivers 10 times the air power compared to 600 series robots for improved pickup performance and cleaner floors. And with iAdapt 3.0 navigation, know that your Roomba is going to be able to thoroughly clean an entire level of your home while navigating in those clean lines that everyone likes to see. It does this by capturing over 230,000 data points per second, which allows the robot to create a detailed map of its surroundings so that it always knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean. There's nothing better than coming home from work each day to those vacuumed floors. Okay, I lied. There's one thing better. It's coming home from work each day to not only vacuumed floors, but those shiny mopped ones as well. That's right. With Imprint Link technology through the iRobot Home app, know that your Roomba i7 and your BravoJet M6 are going to team up to keep your floors crystal clean. Go ahead and send your Roomba i7 out to clean wherever you want. When it finishes, it's going to automatically tell the BravoJet M6 it's your turn. You can set this up on demand or as a repeating schedule to make sure your floors are clean every day. With Imprint Smart Mapping, your Roomba i7 is going to know your kitchen from your living room, from your master bedroom. That's right. This is going to allow you to control which rooms are cleaned and when you want them to be cleaned. The robot can remember multiple floor plans, and it's going to learn, map, and adapt to your home, determining the best way to clean each room each time it goes out. With intelligent updates to your smart map, this is going to enable your map to keep evolving. So when Roomba discovers a new space like mine did, it's going to automatically add it to your map. You'll even be notified if the robot's dock has been moved. For even more control, you can now clean by zone. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with customizable keep-out zones. Or you can select and name smaller clean zones within a room and send your robot directly to those areas in the iRobot Home app or by voice command. The Roomba i7 can also automatically detect objects in your home like couches, cabinets, or tables and make a recommendation to place a clean zone around that object on your map. Then, the robot can clean specific messes for you right as they happen and right where they happen. So if you're like me and after doing some work in your office and trying to just get out of the house for a bit, but you notice you drop some chips on the ground, whoops, you can tell Roomba i7 to go clean under your desk and consider that job complete. Thanks, Roomba. You're the best. By using the iRobot Home app, you're going to unlock a more intuitive clean, where you can control and schedule cleanings to stay ahead of those everyday messes. Roomba i7 is going to learn the places and times you clean the most. And you can even save them as favorites in the app for quick and easy access. Roomba can also suggest cleaning schedules based on your cleaning habits and the busiest times. These custom recommendations even alert you when the pollen count is high in your area or when it's pet shedding season. And it'll suggest a personalized cleaning program that works hard for both you and your home. You can also monitor your robot's status, view cleaning history, and even watch maintenance videos. The app will even update your robot with the latest software, so know that your robot's up to date with the latest and greatest features. And with smart home capabilities, know that your Roomba i7 can clean a room or an entire level of your home without even lifting a single finger. That's right. With cutting-edge mapping and smart navigation, this is going to allow you to send your Roomba i7 directly to the messes as they happen and where they happen, with just a simple command to your Google Assistant or Alexa-enabled devices, which include Amazon Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Spot, and Echo Show. Roomba i7 can even target specific areas within your rooms, like in front of the couch or under a table. This is going to provide easy, hands-free cleanup with just the sound of your voice. Reminds me, I forgot to clean the chips up under the desk again. Hold on one second, guys. Alexa, can you tell Roomba i7 to clean under the desk again, please? Your Roomba can also communicate with your smart door locks, thermostats, garage door openers, and other select devices to start cleaning when you leave the house and stop cleaning when you get home. These routines are designed to fit your ever-changing lifestyle and schedule, and these are all powered by IFTTT. Wow, is there anything that Roomba can't do? Okay, we're about halfway through the video. We're getting there. Just kidding. Made it to the end. You'll learn everything possible about the Roomba i7. I know it's an awesome robot and why it'd be a great fit for your home. So, let's stop debating it. Go ahead and get yourself one. Keep the traditional vacuum in the closet where it belongs, and let's let Roomba handle that mess under your bed. Start enjoying those clean floors every day of the week, like I do. You can thank me later. Thanks for watching, everyone.